Welcome back to my channel at Theatrically Jerry. My name's Jerry. We are going to be doing a sound test on V-Show's S712 Kuan. This is a 450 watt LED beam spot wash moving head. I like to do sound tests to give you guys an idea of how loud the fans are on these fixtures. So I'm going to go ahead and turn up the intensity on the dimmer channel so I can get the fans going, and then we're going to see how loud they are. Okay, so right now the fans have kicked in for the LED light source. There's two here and two on the other side. They're a variable fan, so they are going to vary in their speed and intensity to cut down on sound. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys listen to how loud the fans are from a foot away. Now we're going to go back to 5 feet away. And back to a foot away. So they're not very loud, these fans. They're actually really great fans that they have included with this light fixture. I'm going to turn the light fixture away from the camera so we can get a different feel of how loud the fans are. And we're going to pull back again to 5 feet away from the light fixture. Now we're going to go ahead and check out how loud the motors are on this light fixture. We are going to do a sound test on the SI motors that are included with this light fixture. So to do that, I'm about a foot away from this fixture, and I'm going to show you the pan motor right now. This is probably one of the quietest motors I've actually heard on a light fixture. They don't make a whole lot of noise. There's no grinding sounds to them, so the motors on these are great. So that is the sound of the pan motor from a foot away. Now we're going to check out our tilt. The tilt motor and the pan motor both have very little sound to them. If I had to say, you're not going to hear the motors on these from about 10 feet away. You will not hear them at all. From 5 feet away, maybe just slightly audible. I do appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments on this light fixture, you can comment down below. I do read all comments and respond to them. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel at Theatrically Jerry. I review a lot of light fixtures such as this one and several others. I also review DJ equipment and atmospherics, effects, anything that interests me and that interests you, I will be reviewing. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.